Yo guys, what is going on? Welcome back to a new video here on the channel. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a possible currency which will be used in Earth 2 in its game when it is released. Now, straight off the bat guys, I'm going to let you know right now that this is not yet confirmed. So don't take it for granted. It possibly could be false information, but it most likely isn't in my opinion. And I've seen quite a lot of YouTube videos on this currency and it just got recently added onto this exchange, or should I say protocol. But before I go anywhere into this video, make sure you guys use my referral code, which will be down below in the comment section or on the screen right now. And at the end of every single video that I upload, I will use one of your referral codes down below in the comment section after you use mine. So make sure you guys right now pause the video for a second, use my referral code and comment down below your referral code, and for the next video you could be entered into the referral giveaway. And let's get boys straight into the video. So then guys, going straight into the video, basically, so the rumors has it there's a new cryptocurrency which will be used for the game. We already know that Ethereum will be used in the future, not as of right now. So that's been confirmed. So we're gonna have a cryptocurrency which is kind of, is legit currency, which can use that. So this new currency is basically a leverage token which you guys can do. So if you type in Uniswap, okay, this is an exchange, or shall I say a decentralized protocol, to trade basically liquidity provisions on Ethereum, right? Now, the fact that we have Ethereum as the crypto for the Earth 2, we can use a token which will be on Uniswap. I'm not too sure if it'll just be on Uniswap or it can be on any other exchange. It might be on Binance because I know Binance has a lot of tokens, like for instance PSG, which has nothing to do with Binance. So that's why I reckon Earth 2 can go on to Binance if it gets popular, which it most likely will do because of the traffic on the Earth 2. So what you want to do is go into charts, and here we have it. So this is the main page right here. We have tokens. So it is a legitimate exchange. It's on Binance. You can trade this stuff. And we have 20 pages right here of just tokens, we can trade them, whatever. And basically, the whole point of this video right here is on this, okay? So if you type in Earth, right? We right here have a Earth/ETH pair, all right? I don't know why it's just disappeared there. Okay, there we go. So Earth ETH pair. If you have a close look right here, the liquidity is basically nothing. There's no liquidity. There's no tokens on there right now, because it's not off right now, So basically, a lot of people are in disbelief and thinking oh, this is all fake and stuff. Now, it possibly could be fake, but if you think about it, right, 221 days ago, they had transactions on this token, right? Now, if it wasn't a fake, who would make transactions for this 200 days ago, okay? Earth 2 got popular around about a month ago, 2 months ago maximum. Now 221 days ago is probably around about 9 months, okay? I'm not too sure how long exactly it is, but probably about 9 months, right? Now, for someone to make a token 9 months ago and trade it to see how it works, if it's successful and it does work, as a pair, if they are gonna allow it, etc., it's working, right? So for anyone to benefit off this, if they are fake, they're not going to gain anything from it, all right? There's no traffic on this token because of the Earth 2, no, should I just say traffic, right? So this right here could have been used by the developers of Earth 2 200 days ago, to have this in advance, to use it as a token for Ethereum when it does blow up. And we now find out it's actually a token which obviously hasn't been yet released, which will probably use in the future. So this is a possible, and in my opinion, I think this is legitimate, okay? 200 days ago, it doesn't make sense for anyone to make it for fake and try to scam people out of it. I think it's a really legit thing. So when this does get released, I don't know how many tokens there'll be, how much the liquidity will be. So we'll have to find out by ourselves, and no one knows of the exact date when it will be dropped. So all we have to do right now is just basically guess and just every day check when this token comes out, because I can guarantee you if this does drop out on, let's say for instance, class 2 when that comes out, or phase 2, so let's say when that drops out, we can trade resources, buildings, whatever, the full-on trading mechanism comes out, then we can trade the tokens, which are the liquidity pairs. This makes full sense, and like I said, in my opinion, I think this will be legit. All we have to do is just wait for this to come out. That's literally it. So let me know, guys, what do you think of this? Do you think it's going to be legit? In my opinion, like I said, this I think will be legitimate. We just have to wait for, I think, phase 2 until that drops. So all the resources that we can trade, all the mechanisms, you know, the gold, the iron, whatever resource that we have, this will drop at the same time, in my opinion, because this will, you know, work as the trading mechanism, as the liquidity pairs, which makes perfect sense. So, guys, comment down below, what are your thoughts on this? Right now, comment, guys. I want to see your opinions on this. And also, this is my first video on this Earth 2 topic. And also, guys, if you are new, make sure you guys use my referral code, which is down below in the description, and also the chat, the comments chat. And if you guys do use the comment down below and chat your referral code in the next video, guys, I will use it for a purchase in my next video. Anyways, boys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace out.